Hi, this is Mark from Sherwin-Williams Construction, and today I'm going to tell my loyal subscribers how to fix a crack in a corner. We have a corner bead here that, for whatever reason, it cracked, and I'm gonna show you how to fix it. The tools I'll be using today to fix the crack in a drywall joint is a mud pan, a 6-inch knife, drywall tape, and I'm using 20-minute. I'm going to be using 20-minute QuickSet light hot mud. I call it hot mud, but you can use regular drywall mud if you're not used to using this hot mud. It sets up fairly quickly, so you work fairly fast. Otherwise, you're not going to get as good a job as you'd like. So if you're not comfortable with 20-minute hot mud, then regular mud will do the same thing. You just got to wait a little longer for it to dry. Okay, now I've got my hot mud mixed up, and now I'm going to apply the mud. I'm applying it right on the seam. I'm just putting the mud now over the tape to get a coat of mud on it. And then I'll have to sand this and probably do it one more time. Just lightly sand it. There. That's it. Now it has to dry, and then I'll lightly sand it and may hit it again if I need to, and it's ready to prime and paint. Okay, just once more, just lightly, gonna put a light coat of mud on it, and that'll be it. Okay, I've just got a little bit of a ridge here next to the tape joint. Just slightly, it's not bad, but I'm gonna go over it again with a 12-inch knife just to smooth that out. There. That's it. Well, normally you'd wait 3 or 4 hours to let this dry, but this is actually the next day. But then I'm just going to lightly sand this wall now. Okay. I'm ready to paint it. I'm going to prime it and then put a color match paint on it. Okay, I'm going to put some Bullseye 123 primer on it, and then I'm going to put the paint color on it. Okay, I'm just going to let that dry and then I'll put the color on it. Okay, now I'm going to put the color coat on. The primer's dry. Okay, after this dries, I'm going to give it a second coat and we'll be done. Well, there it is, it's all done. And that's how you fix a crack on a wall. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button below and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Don't keep it up. That's videotape me cleaning. Can a man have any peace? It's over. The show's over.